going to prep my face. For that I'm going to moisturize it first. I'm going to use this Natio in Antioxidant Face Moisturizer. I've just finished my Claire Soothing Moisturizer, and which is one of my favorite moisturizers. I'm not buying it right now because I already have a couple of moisturizers to finish. This one is really good. I really like it. It has like a very light texture. And next step is applying the primer, and for primer I'm going to use Europe Girl Cosmetics High Spreadability Fluid Primer. I just put one drop on one side. It just spreads and absorbs into the skin like immediately, and since my skin is very dry, I love using it. I'm using my MILANI Conceal Plus Perfect Color Correcting Palette. For my foundation, I'm going to use Maybelline Foundation, which is like a 24-hour Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation, and I have picked shade 312 Golden. To blend it, I'm going to use my sponge from PAC Cosmetics. I'm going to mix these two shades. One is medium, another one is a caramel. I have just applied the caramel under my eyes because I want to conceal the darkness first and then I'll highlight. I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder to set the under eye area a little bit. This doesn't really brighten up the under eye area. It might be good for setting the concealer and all, but I don't think it does anything in terms of brightening, which is what I look for when I apply a powder under my eyes. So next thing I'm going to do is apply a little bit of bronzer with the help of this Europe Girl brush in number EG042. So for bronzer I'm going to use my Sephora bronzer. I like to bronze up my face because it just brings back the dimensions. Otherwise my face looks really flat after applying foundation. For my blush, I'm going to use this Kiko Milano Arctic Holiday blush in the shade Original Plum, which is very dark. And I'm using Europe Girl brush number 036. So for my eye makeup, I'm going to use the newest launch by PAC Cosmetics, the Mauve one. I was really impressed by the Smokey palette. It went out really well. The eye makeup turned out really good. So this time I picked another variant, which is Mauve. This is the one, and I'm going to use this one. This color right here. And I'm going to use my Europe Girl Cosmetics brush in number 022, which is a large blending brush. The color payoff is nice, but you can see some fallout in the pan, so yeah, make sure to tap off the excess. Next, I'm going to take this shade right here on PAC 114, which is another blending brush, but it's a little smaller and denser. Placing this color on the outer V and little bit in the crease. Next, I'm taking this one and deepen my outer V a little bit. For the eyelids, I'm going to use this color, this one, using my Europe Girl Cosmetics brush in number 018. Okay, this color is very pretty. Need a little bit more of that brown on the outer V just to blend this shimmery color with the rest of the eye makeup. I'm taking my bronzer a little bit and just blending the color in the crease. Next, I'm taking PAC 102 brush and this color to highlight my brow bones. I'll do my brows next using this Europe Girl Paris eyebrow kit. I'm going to mist my face quickly, and for that I'm going to use the Body Shop Vitamin E Hydrating Face Mist. I used this mist during my Gujarat trip and it worked so well on the top of makeup because my skin gets really dry when I use foundation, and this foundation especially is quite drying on me. So for my eyeliner I'm going to use Gigi Hadid eyeliner. For my eyelashes, I'm going to use the Bad Gal Bang Mascara from Benefit. Now with the help of PAC 110, I'm going to mix these two colors and apply on my lower lash line. And with the same brush, I'm taking this one and apply it in the inner corners. And for lips, I'm going to use this guy's Cosmetics lipsticks in the shade Actress, which is a very pretty rosy mauve shade. You can wear a very dark burgundy color also with this makeup look and it will look good. So for highlighter, I'm going to use my Febble highlighter palette. I'm going to apply this one. Makeup look, so I decided to apply Kiko lip liner in the shade 528. This is like my favorite lip liner to apply with neutral lipsticks because it adds a little bit of definition to my lips, and this looks really pretty with the makeup I have on. Overall, I really love the PAC Cosmetics this palette in the shade Mauve. I equally like the palette Smokey. I think these palettes are really good if you are getting married and you need a small palette that has all the pretty colors, then you can give these a shot. Very good. These are priced at ₹1600, like $15.95, so not affordable. A bit on the expensive side for a high street brand. I will list all the products I've used in this makeup look in the info box. So the makeup is done. This is completed makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and liked this makeup look. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.